into the field. Again, working caution here on lap number 4.
There's a good look at Brennan Poole's number 42, the DC Solar Machine there on your Sprint Vision screen. Brennan out of the Woodlands, Texas, making his first Xfinity start here at Daytona tonight.
Only 5 laps are complete. We're working right now under our first caution flag of the night. Bobby Gerhardt spun coming off of turn number 4. Right now the field getting the indication. We're going to go back under the green flag in 1 lap. First though, we need to pause 10 seconds for station identification on the Motor Racing Network. In turns 3 and 4 on pit road, it's Winston Kelly, Alex Hayden, Steve Post, and Tim Kuhn and Joe Moore. In about another half a lap, we'll go back under the green flag.
5 laps complete, 95 to go. Suarez will be there on road number 2, followed by David Reagan. Restarting 5th, Eric Jones 6th. Then Ryan Reed restarts in 7th. 8th is Austin Dillon. Elliott Sadler 9th, and Brendan going 10th.
Bubba Wallace will restart 11th. Blake Cook, while 13th will be Chase Elliott on the restart. Then J.J. Yaley 14th. 15th is Regan Smith, ready for 16th.
Douglas Townley restarts in 21st. All these cars still on the lead lap. 22nd, Chris Buescher. 23rd, Ryan Sieg. Landon Castle restarts 24th. Then it's Ross Chastain at 25th. Dakota Armstrong 26th. Jeremy Clements at 27th. 28th is Timmy Hill. 29th, Scott Lagasse Jr. And Darren Cope will restart 30th.
Cale Conley set to go from 31st. Then Martin Waugh 32nd. Joey Gase 33rd. Morgan Shepherd 34th. Harrison Rhodes 35th. 36, Peyton Sellers, then it's Mike Harmon, Dexter Bean, Eric McClure, all of those cars on the lead lap, 39 of them in all. 1 lap down, running 40th is Bobby Gerhardt.
Pace car is on pit road, the green flag wave again here at Daytona. They are on the gas. Again, Ryan Scott tries to break away, this time